if you dey trade without strategy, you dey gamble. I talk Ogidi this thing last time. Say, let's say Ogidi, then times Ogidi dey do sports trading. I talk am say, then buy then sell you dey do. You go fit talk say, oh, you dey predict me by go here. Even though you go feel win, you go feel lose. But still, features, you dey gamble. Take off, you no get particular strategy. You bab that be am. So me, I be price action trader. You bab, I trade just purely price action. Just what price is telling me. You dey kind see I talk you say candlesticks be the what? The language of the market.
Yeah.
So I guess they watch what the candlestick they tell me. But candlestick they talk to me. What them they tell me, that be what I they take place my trade. Price action, just pure price action. Where we get plenty forex strategies. So
Trendline strategy.
trend line, hey Charlie, we get plenty trend line strategy dey. Squad dey dem dey treat trend line. Some squad dey dem dey treat maybe only trend line bounce or trend line breakout. That's
Support
the
and resistance strategy.
support and resistance in that it. Supply and demand. There must be strategy. We get ICT, SMC. SMC be smart money concept.
Yes.
Smart money concept. We get ICT. ICT, the inner circle trader. Make I believe man, this thing show you something. My ex. Then show you this guy. X.
Yes.
This be the owner of ICT. The person the strategy and they call ICT strategy, the owner. Them they call they be inner circle trader. So make I just search ICT. ICT information, communication, inner circle trader, Hindis. Inner circle trader. The guy this ICT
He died.
strategy. When he die, he dey alive.
To be old man.
But he not really old. He be young man. You know you see him face. The ICT, the ICT strategy he own, he develop am. But we get so many strategies. We get turtle soup or what? Turtle soup. We get this thing, SMC strategy. Then they do the break of structure, liquidity sweep, what, inducement, what, I don't know. I know they trade their strategies, I don't know. We will get ICT. Then they do the fair value gap, what, you bab. Yeah, so plenty strategies dey. Some squad too dey, dem dey trade only how dem dey call am indicators. But this what we dey call indicators. If you say indicators, I don't know if I go fit show you example. This be indicators, if you come here indicators. Somebody dey trade only moving averages, Bollinger Bands, what. Oh, them plenty harmonic patterns, them all be indicators, plenty indicators. But so the strategies plenty. But so I teach you me now it be up to you. If you dey okay plus you go fit stick to ICT. Hey, you go fit stick to my strategy. But I trade just purely price action. Wey note this, every strategy dey work. Every strategy dey work.